Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some Disney items that I purchased last week, and I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned. The first item I have is from Loungefly. It is something that I've been so excited about. It's in this box. Can you guess what it is? I feel like a kid on Christmas right now. It is the Mary Poppins mini backpack Loungefly. Oh my gosh. It is gorgeous! Oh my goodness. I didn't know it was going to be this light pink right here. And then the dark pink. I didn't know that, but it's gorgeous. I love it. So I want to open it up and show you guys inside. Probably have to take some tissue out. Can you see that? It's the little penguins. I kind of wish that the penguins were on the front of the bag. They are on the sides. And there is no side pockets. I know a lot of people wish that they had side pockets, but there's no side pockets on this one. And the hardware is silver. Kind of wish the hardware was gold. I love pink and gold together, but I do have a really pretty pink and silver Pandora bracelet that I can wear with this. See the cute little penguins, they're embroidered here. And then on the back, it says Jolly Holiday, because this is the scene when they go into the cartoon and they sing, "It's a jolly holiday with you, Bert." Literally, Mary Poppins is one of my favorite movies, so this is really exciting to get this bag. I'm going to cherish this bag. It's pretty much probably going to be one of my favorites out of my collection thus far. It's literally a work of art. It's gorgeous. So as most of you may know, I totally missed out on the Minnie Mouse main attraction collection last year. I just started collecting Loungefly and Disney hauls and unboxings this year. It all started with my birthday trip to Magic Kingdom in April. And no, it wasn't my first time to Magic Kingdom. I've been plenty of times, but my obsession with Disney kind of rekindled when I was planning the trip. So now I'm opening King Arthur's ears from the Minnie Mouse main attraction, King Arthur's Carousel. And I'm so excited about these. They are beautiful. Like, oh my God. Now I want the bag even more. Like, oh my God. And the bag's on eBay for like 400 bucks. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. I so wish that I knew about this collection when it was all going down, because I swear I would have like almost everything in this collection. My mom collects carousels, and the bag, the plush, I mean, basically everything is just so gorgeous in this collection, but I'm so happy I got the ears. I don't know if I'm going to wear them so much, if I'm just probably going to just keep them as a souvenir because they're just so pretty. And I'm going to keep the tag attached. The only way I might wear them is if I get the bag. But look how pretty they are. Oh, they're so gorgeous. I'm so obsessed. So on my new account, Alexis Loves Magic on Instagram, I started following a page called stock_Disney. And on there, they actually posted that they were restocking the Dumbo plush on Shop Disney. And I immediately went on there and purchased the plush. At first I was like, I didn't need the plush. I didn't even really care so much about that month. But I just felt excited to do it because I didn't get to do it with everybody else when the original collection dropped. So here is the Minnie Mouse main attraction Dumbo plush. She is absolutely so sassy and pretty. I heard that this collection didn't do too well. I don't know why. I personally feel like she's gorgeous. I mean, she's got her little embroidery here that says series, what does that say? 8 of 12, so the August launch. I think she's adorable. I don't know if I want to get the ears and the bag to go because I already have Haunted Mansion Fanny and Small World Fanny. So I really don't want another fanny pack. I'd prefer to get a bag. But I did want an original plush from the collection. And so I'm so happy I got this plush. I know it's not a fake because I got it from Shop Disney. So that excites me to actually own a piece of the real collection and not have a fake in my collection. I know for sure this is a real plush from the collection, and now I have 2 bags from the collection, 1 set of ears, and 1 plush. And I started collecting the whole series in March. So I'm really excited about this plushie. She's so cute. Stella's gonna love you. So the last item I have, it's not an unboxing because I actually opened it already, but I won a giveaway from Cassie's Castle, and I'm going to link her page down in the description. She sent me these gorgeous cornflower blue ears. Basically, she did I believe it was a follower giveaway on her Instagram. And these are absolutely gorgeous. Other than the King Arthur ears, I believe these are the only full price ears that I have. All the other ears that I've purchased were either on sale or from the Character Warehouse. So these are like the first full price ears that I've ever owned, other than the King Arthur ears that I just purchased. So I got these first, and then these came today. So now I have these 2 to add to the collection. And I don't know if Ariel is still my favorite ears after receiving these. It might be really close, I think, because the Carousel, I'm just it's so sentimental to me because my mom collects them. And then these are just absolutely beautiful, and they go with a lot. I know Cassie wears them a lot, and she just looks adorable with them. I don't know which ones are my favorite now. And I don't know if I have enough ears to do an ear video. I might. I'm looking over there now at them, and I'm like, I have about 12. So I might be able to do a video. Might not be a long one, but I might be able to do a video of the ears that I have collected in such a short span of time. I swear, Disney is addictive. If you're not addicted already, like, I would say don't even start because my pockets are hurting. But yeah, these are gorgeous. Thanks again, Cassie. I'm so excited about your channel. I watch it almost every single day. Whenever you post a video, I'm watching. But I love these, and I'll try them on for you guys. They're such a pretty blue color, and they just go with they go with everything. They almost look like a denim, like a light denim color. So I think that's why she wears them a lot, because they do go with a lot. So Cute. So there you have it, guys. I've got all of my new haul, Disney haul. I've got my ears, my bag, my plushie, and I'm so happy. Like, you don't understand how this stuff makes me feel. It makes me feel so good inside. Like, it's childhood memories, you know. I feel like the Disney community also is like, and Loungefly. I would say Loungefly is almost separate from Disney because there's a lot of Disney fans on there. But then you've got your Marvel fans and you've got your Star Wars fans. And it's basically like all different fandoms smushed together. And that's kind of why I made the Alexis Loves Magic page. It's not just for Disney. It's for, you know, basically all the fandoms that I'm into. And I felt like my Alexis Loves Me page on Instagram, they weren't really feeling it as much. I had some people that when I posted the Alexis Loves Magic page were like down with it. And they're like so excited to share the stuff that they like. But at the age of 37, a lot of people are just like, huh? Like, you're into Disney like that? And I'm like, yeah. Like, I love it. I love all of the fandoms. I love Disney. I love Harry Potter. I love Star Wars and Marvel and, you know, Lord of the Rings, Twilight, like all these fandoms. And I just, when I watch the movies and I buy the items, it just takes me to another place. So if you feel that way, let me know in the comments. What fandom are you obsessed with? Is it Disney, Star Wars? Just tell me, just let me know. And that's going to be all for tonight. I have to pack. I'm going out of town for the holiday weekend. So yeah, hopefully I can get more items to show you guys. And thumbs up this video and subscribe. See ya.